Hi guys, welcome. Hi guys, welcome back to my video. Sorry about that. I just need to check something. In this video, we're gonna be creating an extremely weird solar system and put life in it. So we are in this solar system. If you didn't know, you have the options to go to solar system right over there. It's saying build your own solar system. Press that, and then you will come into an empty relation.
Organize life with
Give me a sec, guys. Ads are always
AI.
bad.
With Ask ROI, ask questions, upload docs,
No worries,
and get
don't
instant.
worry. As I was saying, so we're gonna put a star. I was thinking of a binary system at first. So I gotta have one mass of the sun. You could see right over there. Launch. So, but until I thought it would be a good idea to make a binary with a black hole. Oh, right now it's so we're gonna find a good spot for a black hole. Black hole orbit helper. Now it's saying that if you want to make a binary, I'm gonna click yes. And since they both have the same mass, you see it has one. So here's the black hole. It's so small. If you're creating a black hole with the same mass of the sun, and then it only has to be how big again? Yeah, it only has to be 2.93 kilometers. Because black holes are extremely dense. Now we are gonna create a habitable planet. No. But first let's create the first planet. And I also want it to be weird too. No? Wait. You would like it to make it a planet. No, not 300 Earth's mass. Cancel. It's 300 Earth masses. We just want to be a little bit lower. 400 kilometers. Orbit helper. So it's orbiting the star, but not the black hole. How about we just put it right over here near the binary and launch? Since this planet is the hottest, we're gonna make it lava way. Damn, that looks cool. Let's also put some rings on it. Particle rings. I swear they had that, yeah. Oh, wow. This looks more beautiful. But actually, I don't think we need to actually put that. I'm just gonna. Because instead we could put it on the planet which will have life. This planet doesn't have because it's too hot. So let's see how the is the simulation going. For some reason, it looks like for a second the black hole was orbiting the star. Now, no. Where's that planet? Oh, it was so close that it got kicked out. Crap. Luckily, I think we have to make it more far. Cancel. Somewhere maybe here we're gonna put a planet. Again, not 300 Earth mass. 1. Let's make the radius almost the same as Earth. Mass 2. It's so hard. Don't think it's easy. It's pretty hard doing that. And yeah. Orbit helper. No, actually. So it's orbiting the black hole. Big wouldn't make sense, but it's not having a stable orbit. So we have to find out. Let's actually put it here, and let's not make it 300 Earth's masses. Let's reduce it to 80. Radius for 5,000. Too much Earth's mass. Yeah, I take orbital bar. So it's orbiting good. As long as one of them don't orbit one and they're orbiting. Oh wait, it looks. Wait, what? I pressed cancelled? Crap. Let me create it. Why do they always make it 300 Earth masses? It's so hard always. Let's just keep it like that. So right now it's negative 12 degrees Celsius for some reason, but let's see how will it go. I hope it's not imbalanced. Like, okay, it's basically imbalanced. What does life have to exist to live? No? This is hard. I think I have to start a new simulation where, actually, instead of using a star, how about we use a star, large, and a red, and a kind of like a red dwarf. Red dwarfs are like stars, but they're, yeah, you could see with it. Not so much. The reason why, because if you look at their mass, you can see they're a few, 100 times. No, not a few. It's maybe bazillion, but not one mass of the sun. So yeah, if you look at their orbits, so the sun this is 8,000 and this is 3,000. And for some reason it's only. Okay, this is hard. Let me start a new simulation, but let's just create it. Yeah, I take early using this slide. Now we can create a planet. Let's put a planet. Okay, so this is how hard it. We can also make it like lava. No. But don't worry, I will try to create a weird planet. But this is not gonna be it. Because the planets, as I was saying, we are, instead of just create, how about, I have an idea to make it in a weird solar system. So if we go here, do something like this. And we do something something like this. Let's just create one Earth. Orbit helper. How? So this is gonna be a habitable planet. For some reason, saying negative 2.9 degrees Celsius. It's probably because it doesn't have an atmosphere. Here, probably. Let's add a atmosphere, and we're gonna give it a mountain. Apply. For some reason, it's still showing. So, So we are gonna put some clouds. Oh, so what's this? Nope. Clouds. And then if we go here, we will have the ability to put some water. This looks good, kind of. But here's the catch. It's gonna have another version of itself. A little bit. But here is a catch. So let me go to this. So you can see how many Earth's masses. That's 0.96. So we're going to create another one which will have the same radius and will have the same Earth's masses. Why did 73. How about instead? Yes. But wait, come on. Something like this. Orbit helper. Yes. Something went wrong. I don't know what went wrong, but it was different. How about let's increase its mass. Not size, but mass. Cancel. So actually, let's put it right over here. And we're going to increase its mass. Since it's going to be some smaller, but yet still going to be kind of massive. Why does the same launch? So yeah, let's see. They're kind of, oh, are they touching? Oh, I don't, yeah, I'm gonna reduce its size. Kind of a little bit.
कुछ नहीं वेट थोड़ा कम कर
Something just happened for a second, but that's okay. It looks fine. It looks like this. What's its mass? We increased its mass. Oh, this is its it. So, the more mass, should also make it kind of, no, whoa, it turned into its rings. It became like clipped. But no, thank you. Cancel. What am I supposed? What just happened? Let's just keep it like that. And how much mass? It only had this much mass. I ripped it off. We're gonna like add the stuff, water, some mountainous. I think I can make a new idea. Instead of like just being normal, why don't we make its moon also have like its mass on life? Mass. Atmosphere, since now we're gonna put a smaller one. Orbit helper. Okay, I got ripped again. Yeah, this has beautiful rings. Wait, this actually makes the solar system more weirder. Now, since it's orbiting this, it's gonna be. It actually made it a lot more weirder. Let's also. Yeah, how about moon? Since it has water, and now, how does it look like? I want to see its other side. It's taking time to rotate though. It has beautiful rings. I hope it doesn't impact life. Though, I forgot I need to add some clouds and the atmosphere. And yep, this is how it is. I don't know what the hell are we going to do with this chunk, but hey, is it weird? Now, I'm going to create look how fast his orbit is. It made it a lot more weirder. It looks like a disc. The only habitable planet, it's also the planet with the most chaos. Follow. How much? There's almost way less water. Water level? Yep, apply. Now let's create a gas giant. Cancel. Actually, let's put it right somewhere here. A planet with how much mass? 3. How about it became brighter? No. So I think we have the ability to like, hey, I have an idea. How about, where's a gas texture? Gas giant, I think it does more. This looks a little bit cool. So my idea, we're gonna give it some rings. Not any normal. Since this is like gonna be like the biggest, so we're gonna make it amount a lot. To be more realistic, particle size, or reducing it, or nucleation. How about outer diameter? Ooh, my plan is to make it extremely whoa. Damn. It looks super sick now. How much cold is this? 130. Negative 130. Let's like kind of give it a mood. Its moon is right over here. Orbit helper. It's orbiting the moon. But it's also kind of like the smallest. I think I'm good with the volcano texture. But will that moon like, let me just try. Actually, let's actually just kind of show something. How big is it compared to Jupiter? I don't know. Its rings look a little bit weird, but hey, that's okay. One has the biggest, and oh my, whoa. The solar system looks epic. Whoa. Oh. I think I could like kind of control rotate period. Let's only make it. How about 23 14 hours? You could say rotating. I noticed something weird, but that's. How about let's create. Ooh. I wonder what's this. I don't know which is a star or what. Huh. Now let's create the gas giant with the most moons. Like how sad. Or I have a great idea. Let's actually make it a. How big is the planet? How about. No, wait. I have an idea. Let's make a brown dwarf. Oh my goodness. Orbit helper. No. Obviously, it'll have a. But it's going to be binary with another brown dwarf. Yes. Oh, it has its own path? Why not go over the sun? And this one might. Let's make a cancel. Yep, let's go to planet 13. What's going on with the ranks? I wish I could make it bigger than J14. Now you got brown dwarf 15 and 16. This is super weird. With less and oh, where's the star? No, actually, star 7. Yeah, iron plus plus. Out. Where will be the asteroid belt? Let's give it a Dyson sphere in the asteroid belt. Where's the asteroid belt? Okay, this is. Okay, now it has alien life. How cool is that? Ooh. No, actually, that's for pulsars. But still, it's weird. It looks weird and it has weird stuff. Like, what the heck? Let's see how hard is this planet. 2,000. Yep. Or let's create a small planet in the sun. Orbit helper. Whoa, that's weird. Yep. Yeah, just I don't know, but I think it became so hot that it happened. Oh, I think it's because of the gravity. Rock vaporizes, right? So, planet. Wait, planet 14 is within the. Huh? If we go to planets, I want to go to planet 10. How are they doing? Let's give it this thing. Okay, it had. Wait, since this is also. Let's give it. Wow, they both have their own magnetic field. They're also experiencing radiation. Yeah, if you. Yeah, like right over here, they're experiencing. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you find this entertaining. So anyways, bye.